Marvin Moon.
Out on the farm, the sun shines bright. Nain wakes up, feeling alright. But oh no, cow has a sneeze. Dr. Duck says, come with me please. I can do it, yes it's true. Farm checkups help me and you. Say moo, say neigh, say bow loud. Dr. Duck will check us now. Doctor holds a stethoscope, listens close, let's take a note. Thump thump, the heartbeat strong. Healthy cows will move along. Dr. Duck says, open wide. Let's check your teeth inside. Horse says, neigh, neigh, teeth so white. Brushing daily keeps them bright. I can do it, yes it's true. Farm checkups help me and you. Say moo, say neigh, say bow loud. Dr. Duck will check us now. Piggy stands against the wall. Dr. Duck checks, are you growing tall? Mark the height, 1, 2, 3. Big and strong just like me. Little lamb had a tiny scratch. Dr. Duck says, here's a patch. Wrap it up, all snug and tight. Lamb is ready, feeling right. Breathe in deep, breathe out slow. Dr. Duck says, now let's go. Inhale here, exhale there. Fresh farm air is everywhere. Cow's a little nervous now. Doctor says, just one small wow. 1, 2, 3, shot is done. Now you're strong, time for fun. Checkup's done, hooray, hooray. Dr. Duck says, go play, play, play. Healthy farm, happy and bright. Sleep well, friends, good night, good night. I did it, yes it's true. Farm checkups help me and you. Smile big, stand up tall. Doctors help us one and all.